Mr. Seymour. I teach 5th grade math at Betsy Ross Elementary. Today we'll be adding and subtracting fractions with unequal denominators. First, parents, one of our biggest misconceptions is our students just add the fractions the way they are. They add the numerator, which is the top numbers, then they add the denominators, which are the bottom numbers, and they get the answer. That is absolutely okay. So wrong. Let me point out exactly what I'm talking about. So you look at the first misconception. The numerator is our top number, 1 plus 3. They'll just add those and get 4. Then they'll go down to the denominator, which is the bottom number, 3 plus 4, and they'll get 7. Okay, and they'll pick that answer during the test. Okay, and the second misconception, parents, are they'll just pick the fraction with the largest denominator, which is 6 right here, 1 6. Okay, and they'll just put that 6 in the answer. Then they'll go ahead and add the numerators, and they would just put that in the answer. They would just add the numerators and just pick the largest denominator and put that in the answer. That's absolutely wrong as well. Okay, so both of those misconceptions are completely wrong. So now here's the right one. Okay, so for our example, we have 1/4 plus 1/3. As you can see, the denominators are not the same. So we cannot add these fractions yet. We have to find a common denominator. Okay, so that's when we pull out our multiplication chart. Okay. And now what I do is list the multiples for each denominator. So for 4, we go to 4. We already have 4, so we go 8, 12, 16, and 20. So we'll list the first 4 multiples. 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing for 3. We'll go to our multiplication chart. And we'll go 6, 9, 12, 15. 6, 9, 12. So now that we have the multiples for each denominator, we look to see if they have one in common. And they do. We have a 12 right here, and we have a 12 right here. These will now be our new common denominators. So we'll lift them at the bottom. 12 and 12. Okay, now we need our new numerator. So we start here at the very first number, at the very first denominator, and count down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we'll multiply that numerator times 3. Okay, then we'll go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now all we have to do is just multiply our numerators. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Now since our denominators are common, we can add them up. Always remember the denominator stays the same now. You don't go 12 plus 12 and you get 24. They stay the same. So you have a 12 here. Now we can just add our numerators. 3 plus 4 is 7. We have our answer. Okay, so parents, when we subtract their fractions, it's a similar procedure. You find your common denominator, same way we had our multiplication chart. 3, 6, 9, 12, and we go here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so we listed our factors, our multiples, and our common denominator is 6 now. Okay, so that's our new common denominator, 6. And remember, we count down. 1, 2. Always start from the first denominator, the first factor. And we go to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Times 3. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, denominators stay the same. And you subtract your numerators. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, parents, so I hope this strategy helps. Remember, that's always keep our kids motivated, and like I always tell them in class, if we work hard now, we'll play harder later. Have a good